Yeah?
We've been trying.
Finally caught it
Trying to hit it on
open.
the open day, yeah?
I used to look through the windows for years.
Oh, great, well, I'm glad you're down here. We got stuff going on, we got the kids' camp going on, and activities. Yeah, so I'm forging a door latch, kind of like the one that's on that door right behind you there.
Like this?
Oh, I got
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
The handle and latch?
yeah.
Well, it'd be two pieces of it, right?
Yeah, it's several pieces. I'm forging the handle part right now, so it's got a flare out at the top where the hardware goes, and it's gonna have a hole where the latch goes in the handle part, and then another kind of flat bit.
So you'll hammer out the end and the other parts, how are you gonna do it? How are you gonna do the squared end that goes in and all that? Same way?
Yep.
That would have been hard to do that.
So let's do the bellow.
Yes.
Right now, I'm kind of going around and I've got my handle pretty much the shape I want it, so I'm kind of refining it a little bit, and I'm hammering in this corner. Make it nice and round.
How long have you been doing that? That type of,
This piece,
Blacksmith.
no, blacksmithing?
oh, about 20 years.
Wow. That is so wild they make things like that.
Yeah. Well, handmade stuff is nice. I think it's still got a place in the world.
Oh, yeah,
I've
always
just never
helps.
seen anybody actually doing it, you know, I mean, it's pretty neat.
Yeah, so this is what I've got for now.
Wow.
So this will be the top part. Put some holes in there for hardware. This is where the latch will go. I'll put a hole in there. And this is the handle, and then when I come down here, get to my final spot, I'll spread out, cut it off and spread out this part to match that.
So it all started out as a square bar.
Wow.
Yeah, it's all this parent
Yeah.
material.
That is
Yeah.
cool.
So I want to do a little bit more refining, get that edge gone from that.
You do an awesome job.
Thank you.
I like your hammer too. I've never seen a hammer like that.
Well, it's been used for a while. They spread out.
Was the other end of it like the one end at one time? He's mushroomed the hammer out that much?
Oh, the hammer?
Yeah,
Yeah, the hammer,
have
I
you
never
mushroomed
seen
that
that.
like that, or is that how?
No, this is how it's made. This
Is
is
it?
Oh.
this is a rounding hammer.
I've never seen one of those.
This is a specialty one that's made by another smith.
Like
Wow.
a tungsten or something, or some kind of a special steel?
No, I think this is probably just 1084. But it's a rounding hammer, so the surfaces are all round.
Right.
So I like that because I shape things really well with that rounding hammer. So this is a little more round, this is a little more flat.
Little less.
So you can use either name.
Right, and then I can go kind of up into this corner and hit that if I want it, you know, kind of more sharply rounded.
Right.
And then I also use this hammer. These two are my main hammers. This is a cross peen hammer. So especially if I want something kind of straight and flat.
It's got the flatter than round one.
Yeah, so it's a flatter hammer, and then it's got this cross peen that I use for shaping stuff.
Well,
So,
thank you for showing
When
us.
you're not here volunteering, do you actually still do stuff for people, or
Yeah, I have a forged home. Where I do
what kind of product do you normally do?
I do a lot of strikers for flint and steel fire ignition.
Oh, yeah.
Do a lot of different versions of those. And,
So small stuff.
yeah, I do a lot of little stuff. Actually, with blacksmithing, kind of, I think where it's at is stuff that's easy to nail. So I make like little dragon head,
Oh, those are cool.
and these little strikers for making fire with flint and steel.
Yeah,
Do you do all those little marks in it? I mean,
Uh-huh.
wow.
Yeah.
So you probably got a lot of different tools and stuff that,
Blacksmiths tend to have a lot of tools, and we make a lot of our own tools too, so.
Right.
A lot of times to do a certain project, you need to make a tool.
just specially for what you do.
Uh-huh. Or you might have one, but you need some slightly different size or different angle on it or something, so.
Wow.
We're kind of forever making tools.
grief. Wow.
Yeah, we're normally forging around 2,000, maybe down to about 1,600 degrees, but usually higher than that. Steel burns up at 2,600 degrees, so
Oh, okay.
you don't want to be forging.
So you can't get it too hot.
Gotta be in the sweet spot.
Right, this forge will actually get up to about 3,000 degrees, so it's definitely possible to burn up the steel in this forge.
Is
But
that
usually I like to do that
coal?
kind of bright orange. Yeah, coal.
Well, thank you.
Hey, thanks for coming. Glad you made it.
Have a good day.
You too.
Yeah, a lot of detail.